Understanding the Fair Use Doctrine. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a very interesting and important topic, especially for content creators, students, and educators. The Fair Use Doctrine. This concept can seem complex, but fear not. We're going to break it down into simple, understandable parts. Let's unlock the mysteries of fair use and understand how it impacts the way we use content. The Fair Use Doctrine is a principle of U.S. copyright law that provides guidelines for legally using copyrighted material without permission from the copyright holder. It's not a law that gives you the right to use anything in any way you want, but rather a defense you might use in court if someone claims you infringed on their copyright. Key factors considered in fair use include 1. Purpose and character. Is the use for nonprofit, educational, or transformative purposes, rather than commercial? 2. Nature of the copyrighted work. Is the work more factual than creative? 3. Amount and substantiality. How much of the work are you using? And is it the heart of the work? 4. Effect on the market. Does your use of the work harm the original work's market or value? Understanding these factors can help you make more informed decisions when using copyrighted material. Many scenarios might be considered fair use, but it's never black and white. Common examples include 1. Educational purposes, using excerpts from a book in a classroom setting. 2. News reporting, quoting a few lines from a news article in a broadcast. 3. Commentary and criticism, discussing and reviewing a work, like a film or book. 4. Parody, creating a humorous adaptation of a song or film. Remember, even in these scenarios, fair use is not guaranteed and depends on the specific context. Fair use is crucial because it balances creators' rights with the public's interest. It allows for freedom of expression, encouraging commentary, criticism, and parody, promoting creativity, allowing new creations that build on existing works, educational access, permitting educators and students to use and reference material in learning environments. Here are some tips to consider when you're unsure about fair use. 1. Use less rather than more. The less you use, the more likely it is to be considered fair use. 2. Add value. Transform the work by adding new expression or meaning. 3. Use for commentary, criticism, or education. These purposes are more likely to be seen as fair use. 4. Acknowledge the source. Always give credit to the original creator. I hope this video sheds some light on the fair use doctrine and how it might apply to your work or study. Remember, while fair use provides a valuable shield, it's not an invincible armor. Always consider the nature of your use and, when in doubt, seek legal advice or get permission. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay curious and informed.